Good morning and welcome to the session of Learning Success from Money, Sex, Power. Today, it is day 4. We read from chapter 4, verse 5. Acquire wisdom and understanding. Do not forget and do not reject the words of my mouth. Now, here, these words are talked by a father to a son, or it should have been talked by a mentor to a mentee, or from a leader to a followers, or a coach and a player. Now this is what it says: acquire wisdom and understanding. So that means if you want wisdom and understanding, you need to spend time acquiring it. Wisdom is never come overnight. Understanding doesn't come overnight. Whichever trade you go, to understand the trade, it takes years. For example, if you start a business of cloth, you are stitching clothes and selling it. It will take years for you to understand the temperament of the buyer. If you are starting some restaurant which is selling food, you will take time to understand the needs of the customers. If you are starting a workshop where you are doing different things with metals, I'll tell you, it takes years to understand how to do it and what to do it, what the customer requires. That's why it says, acquire wisdom and understanding. It is not downloaded, it is acquired. Now, if you have a very good downloading speed, you can download it in minutes. Big files, they download in minutes. But the truth is, wisdom is not downloaded like that overnight, or understanding is not downloaded, it is acquired. That means, acquire means it is a step-by-step gathering of wisdom. See, unless you have wisdom, you cannot really build. Unless you have understanding, you cannot get established. So, establishment is acquired. So, consider you are starting a business, you are starting a career, or anything what you do. You need understanding so that you get established in that place, and you are wise so that you build something in that place. So that's why it says, do not forget and reject the words of my mouth. Now, many of the wisdom and understanding is given to you by words. Of course, you can see certain things and get understanding. That is another thing. But the truth of the matter is, when people talk, you get wisdom, you get understanding. So that's why you need to listen to the right person who is having wisdom and having understanding. And on top of it, he is ready to give you the wisdom and understanding. How rare it is to find somebody who gives you the wisdom and understanding. That's why it says, acquire wisdom and understanding. Do not forget, do not reject the words of my mouth. When you reject the words of your father or a mentor, soon days will come where you can get into bigger problems. Definitely, every mentor, every teacher, every father is as a gift given to us by God. May you have a great time with your mentor and your father. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today's session. We will meet tomorrow, same place, same time. God bless you.